Hi, how are you? Today we're gonna read and understand information about someone's daily routine. Now open your class book, page 62, to listen and read.
My name's Ruby. This is my day. My day. In the morning, I get up at 7 o'clock. I get dressed. I have breakfast, cereal, bread, and milk. Then I go to school at 8 o'clock. I go to school by bus. I take my coat, my school bag, and my lunchbox. Our school bus is blue. And this is my mum's day. My mum's day. My mum's a doctor. She starts work at 6 o'clock, so I don't see her in the morning. She goes home at 2 o'clock, and she cooks dinner. I see my mum in the afternoon and the evening.
Read again, circle the false word and write the correct word. رح نرجع نقرأ الدرس مرة تانية ونحط دائرة على الكلمة الخاطئة ونكتب الإجابة الصحيحة. My name's Ruby. This is my day. My day. In the morning, I get up at 7 o'clock. I get dressed. I have breakfast, cereal, bread. Then I go to school at 8 o'clock. I go to school by bus. I take my coat, my school bag, and my lunchbox. Our school bus is blue. And this is my mom's day. My mom's day. My mom's a doctor. She starts work at 6 o'clock, so I don't see her in the morning. She goes home at 2 o'clock and she cooks dinner. I see my mom in the afternoon and the evening. Okay, Ruby gets up at 8 o'clock? No, at 7. She goes to school in the evening? No, in the morning. Her school bus is yellow? No, it's blue. Ruby's mom is a teacher? No, she's a doctor. Ruby's mom goes home at 5 o'clock? She goes home at 2 o'clock.
Listening 89. Listen and draw the time.
My dad works at night.
Hello, I'm Ruby's dad. I'm a pilot. I fly big planes. I work at night.
1.
I get up at 10 o'clock at night.
2.
I go to work at 11 o'clock at night.
3.
I go home at 6 o'clock in the morning and have breakfast with Ruby.
4.
I have lunch with Ruby's grandma at 12 o'clock.
5.
I go to bed at 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Look and say. رح نكون جمل باستخدام هذه الأفعال مع الوقت المناسب لإلها. For example, it's 10 o'clock at night. He goes to bed. It's 7 o'clock. He has breakfast. It's 2 o'clock. He has lunch. It's 6 o'clock. He gets up. It's 8 o'clock. He goes to work. Now we're gonna identify and write the question words what, when, and where. What بستخدمها لما بدي أسأل عن معلومات محددة. What do you do in the morning? I have breakfast. When لما بدي أسأل عن الزمن. When do you get up? I get up at 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. Where بستخدمها لما بدي أسأل عن المكان. Where do you go? I go to school. School هون المكان. Now circle what and underline when. Draw a square around where. دائرة على what, خط تحت when, ومربع على where. Number 1. Where is my school bag? It's under the chair. بنحط مربع على where. Number 2. What do you do at night? I go to bed. رح نحط دائرة على what. ورح نكمل باقي الأسئلة بهذه الطريقة. Now, open your workbook page 62. Exercise number 1. Read. My name's Harry, and this is my dad. In the morning, I get up at 7 o'clock. My dad gets up at 6 o'clock. I go to school at 8 o'clock. My dad goes to work at 7 o'clock. I go to school by bus. He goes to work by car. I go home at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. My dad goes home at 7 o'clock in the evening. I go to bed at 8 o'clock. My dad goes to bed at 11 o'clock. Exercise number 2. Read again. Write H, Harry, or D, Dad. For example, number 1. He gets up at 6 o'clock. Dad. He gets up at 7 o'clock. Harry. ورح نكمل بنفس طريقة الحل. Now open your workbook page 63. Exercise number 1. Write what, where's, when, where, what, when. Number 1. What's your name? My name is Harry. Number 2. Where is his teddy? His teddy is in his bedroom. Number 3. Where do you go? I go to school. Number 4. When do you have PE? On Tuesday. Number 5. What does she like? She likes chocolate and sweets. The last one. When does she get up? She gets up in the morning. Number 2. Write the times you do these things. بهذا التمرين رح نحدد إحنا الوقت. For example, I get up at 6 o'clock. أنا بستيقظ الساعة 6. بكمل بنفس هذه الطريقة حسب أنت متى بتستيقظ. Have breakfast, go to school, have dinner, go to bed, as you like. Draw and write about your day. رح تكتب عن يومك كيف بيمضى ورح ترسم بالمربع مثل ما تعودنا. يعطيكم العافية. أشوفكم قريبا إن شاء الله.